Hi, I wanted to show you the door panels I have for CJ7 76 to 81. These panels were made out of high density fiberboard. All the holes, the original holes, are in the panel. They're smooth on both sides. Here's the original template I actually used. So if you lay this on here, you'll see all the holes line up. Just lay that on there. You can see all the holes line up. And that is available. Now I have them in stock. If you're interested, you can go to my website or you can go to eBay, either one, and you'll be able to purchase them. So keep driving your vehicle into the sunset till I see you next time.